Bangalore's Kittanahalli neighborhood has been seeing unheard-of real estate boom. To ensure that all land-related transactions are carried out efficiently and transparently, the Karnataka government has engaged a group of knowledgeable and experienced land surveyors in Kittanahalli. To get precise measurements and comprehensive reports, these surveyors make use of high-end equipment and cutting-edge technologies. In order to meet the demands of the locals in Kamasandra, Bangalore, the government has also stationed land surveyors there in addition to Kittanahalli. Many professional land surveyors in Bangalore's Kittanahalli neighborhood provide consumers with top-notch services. The land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, which are renowned for their great precision and attention to detail, are one such business. These experts can produce precise survey reports since they are well-versed in the local geography and have access to cutting-edge equipment and machinery. The top land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore, are aware of the significance of their work and work hard to provide their clients with high-quality outcomes. They provide a variety of services, such as subdivision mapping, topographic surveys, construction staking, and boundary surveys. These experts have the skills to tackle any project, whether you require a survey for home or business needs. The top land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore, are renowned for their technical expertise as well as their professionalism and top-notch client care. They collaborate extensively with clients to comprehend their unique needs and provide solutions that are specifically designed to fit those needs. Look no farther than the land surveyors in Kamasandra Bangalore for the best land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore. You may be sure that your survey demands will be precisely and accurately handled thanks to their experience and commitment to excellence. Come to the correct place if you're seeking for trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore. Our team of highly qualified experts has years of expertise offering local clients precise land survey services. We give land surveying services not only in Kittanahalli but also in other parts of Bangalore, such as Kamasandra. We work closely with our clients to ensure that all relevant licenses and paperwork are secured before beginning any work because our team is knowledgeable about the regional laws and specifications for land surveying in these locations. We can offer you the services you require, whether you need a land survey for a residential or commercial property. Our staff is dedicated to provide our customers top-notch, dependable, and reasonably priced land surveying services that satisfy their unique demands and expectations. To find out more about our services and how we can help you with your land surveying requirements in Kittanahalli, Kamasandra, or anywhere else in Bangalore, get in touch with us right away. Bangalore's Kittanahalli is a fast-growing neighborhood with a rising need for land surveying services. Look no further if you need trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyors in Kittanahalli. In the neighborhood of Kamasandra, there are a number of prominent land surveyors who provide their clients with high-quality services. These land surveyors in Kamasandra can offer you the greatest options whether you require boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking. They are dedicated to providing top-notch services that cater to the particular requirements of each client and guarantee